If you're looking to leverage GoTo Resolve for remote monitoring and alerts, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you how GoTo Resolve works and whether it's truly the best solution for your needs, while also exploring some alternatives that might even be more suited for specific goals. Stick around to find out about an exclusive offer on a free trial that's only available through this video. You'll want to hear this. Let's dive in. First up, GoTo Resolve has built a reputation for providing IT support services and remote monitoring. The remote monitoring feature is ideal for businesses looking to keep tabs on their systems from a distance. However, while GoTo Resolve does a good job with basic monitoring tasks, it's not without its limitations. For instance, it's not as comprehensive when it comes to integrating with other software, which could be a deal breaker for larger operations. Next thing to consider, alerts. GoTo Resolve does allow for customized alerts for when issues are detected on remote systems, but the flexibility here is somewhat restricted. You can set up notifications based on a range of triggers like CPU usage, disk space, or memory issues, but it doesn't have as many advanced conditions or deep-level customizations as you might get with other tools. Now, let's talk about the interface. GoTo Resolve offers an intuitive dashboard, which makes remote monitoring relatively easy, but again, it's not the most advanced. For example, users in larger IT teams might find themselves wanting more granular control over the monitoring process or advanced reporting features, and GoTo Resolve lacks in that area. It's geared more towards smaller to mid-sized teams. The fourth thing, GoTo Resolve's remote access is solid, but there's a catch. While it does allow you to connect remotely to solve issues, the speed and reliability can sometimes vary depending on the network. Some users report occasional lag, and that could be a big downside if you need to access critical systems fast. Now, let's take a quick look at a couple of competitors that might suit your needs better if you're specifically looking for remote monitoring and alerts. Tools like Adara and NinjaRMM offer far more flexibility in terms of integration and customization. They allow for better control over the setup of monitoring and provide more in-depth alerts and reporting. Adara, for instance, is a bit more advanced and might be better for IT teams that require detailed reports and more powerful integrations with other services. NinjaRMM is another solid choice for monitoring and alerts with a more user-friendly interface, and it tends to perform better when it comes to handling large-scale operations. Both of these options come with robust features, like custom alerts based on more granular conditions, which GoTo Resolve lacks. Now, you're probably wondering, is GoTo Resolve the best option for your remote monitoring needs? It can work well for small businesses or less complex setups, but if you're looking for more advanced features or higher flexibility, it might fall short. And if your main goal is to have a streamlined, scalable solution for IT monitoring with great alerts, then Adara or NinjaRMM may be the way to go. And here's the big bonus. Through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial for GoTo Resolve, but more importantly, we've also got some incredible alternatives that will serve you better for remote monitoring and alerts. And guess what? They also offer free trials. Check them out, and through our link, you'll get the best benefits only available to viewers of this video. Make sure to grab your trial and get the best deal for your needs today.